I see these DMs and comments every now and then. You guys have been asking to see more like day in the life stuff. I just got off of work not too long ago. It's about 4 p.m. right now. To me, my day is barely getting started. I feel like my day starts after work. I don't know, I just had that mentality for like a while now. I can't wait to leave, and then once I get home, I'm like, okay, now I get to work on all my stuff, you know, the YouTube business and all that stuff. Anyways, it's 4 p.m. I'm about to start my day, and I'm just gonna take you guys along. I have a few errands to run right now, a few places to go. You guys wanted to see it, so I'm just gonna pick up the camera and just bring you guys wherever I go. We got the FRS sitting over there. If you guys missed the last video, we finally made a video on the FRS. But in the last video, we have some big news that we just revealed. And I can't wait, guys. So if you guys want to know, be sure to check out that previous video. Also, real quick, one more thing. Huge shout out to all you guys who have copped the new shirts, or the restock, I should say. All of your orders are literally out right now, and they honestly should be delivered by the time I post this video. As always, thank you guys so much for the support on this restock of these shirts. I seriously cannot be more thankful, guys. I'm so grateful to have just amazing supporters like you guys. Once I get home from work, I don't know, it's honestly so random. I don't really have a set like schedule, like routine that I do, as much as I honestly want one. Typically when I'm at work, I'm kind of just like brainstorming and thinking of a plan in my head. But there's only like a few things that I really do after work. One, either I'm filming a video, two, I'm doing merch stuff, or three, I'm hanging out with my girlfriend. Those are literally like the three things that I only do. Right now, I'm pulling up to the post office to drop off some of the merch. I feel like in every video, I'm always going to the post office. I'm sorry if it's annoying. I don't know. I feel like somehow I'm always filming while I'm going to the post office or doing orders. I just went to, you can't see it right now, but there's a GameStop over there. Last time I stepped foot into a GameStop, I had to be so young. Now you guys are probably wondering, why is Chris going to a GameStop? I'm actually on the hunt for like Xbox 360 stuff. If you guys have not played Call of Duty before, then you guys are probably like, okay, I don't know what this guy's talking about. I used to be big on Call of Duty. That was literally just my childhood. I just got word that they brought back all of the old Call of Duty servers, so you can actually play all of the old Call of Duties that I literally grinded on in my childhood. So nostalgic. Like, I'm just like, dude, I have to hop on. And I've been playing the old Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Like, it's so freaking nostalgic. It is crazy. Literally like I'm living through my childhood. It's literally amazing. But I'm on the search for a new Xbox 360 controller. Like, vintage nowadays, I guess. They're so old and discontinued. I need a new controller as well as a headset. I think this was my little push to start a gaming channel as well. So I'm gonna hook up my Elgato later, which is like a recording device for Xbox. And if it works, I think I'm gonna post my first gaming video on a separate channel.
2 hours later.
No luck, guys. It's been about 2 hours. Been running around, and yeah, Xbox 360 stuff is discontinued, so I don't even know why I'm even bothering. So yeah, I couldn't find any headsets, no controllers, but got an HDMI cord because this is actually for my capture card. Capture card is like how to record gameplay off of like a console. So I need an extra one. So hopefully we can set this up tonight and it could work. Let's go and head home, hook up this stuff, and I'm gonna try to make a gaming video today. All right, guys, we just finished up setting up my setup. We got it working. Nothing crazy, obviously, but just a basic computer monitor with the computer recording the gameplay. So, but check it out. Modern Warfare 2. We're about to hop on right now real quick. See if I can get a gameplay. I'm probably gonna post this on my new gaming channel. So by the time I film this, I will have a new channel. And I'll probably post this as the first video. So if you guys want to watch that full video, the link will be down in the description below. But yeah, let's go ahead and play some Modern Warfare 2. I still can't believe this is actually real. Like, actually playing Modern Warfare 2 in 2023. So bad. It's so bad. We're only 4 down. The hit markers are crazy. Oh, we're 2-way. What are we doing? What are we doing?
We're gonna be putting, should I say it?
Just say it, bruh.
Today we're gonna add airlift suspension 3P on my Civic.
The Civic. We're finally gonna be modding your car, bruh. We kind of already started modifying it. Like, we worked on it already, but today should be the day where we finish it. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
I don't want to jinx it.
I hope so.
You also got another surprise in there too.
Oh yeah.
You got some wheels too. You guys are gonna have to wait what kind of wheels those are. So he wants to throw them on once we bag it.
It's from Japan, that's all I'm gonna say.
From Japan, dude, kind of giving it away. But yeah, let's go and put this car into the garage and about to be bagged, bro. It's official. Coming in stock, not gonna leave stock. We got the car on the air thanks to the quick jacks. They're laying out everything. We got the struts, so you got vertex air suspension, and as you can see here, he has the airlift management tank and everything. We actually already did his whole like tanks or trunk setup, sorry, and did all the air lines, so it's all routed through the car. All the wiring is pretty much done. All that's left really is throwing the struts in, then we can air your car out. So we actually started this install so long ago. I want to say like maybe 2 weeks to a month ago. We attempted this bag install, but he actually got sent the wrong bottom mounts. I guess for like the Civics, there's like 3 different bottom mounts for the front. I forget, but there's 3 different kinds between the hatchback, the sedan, and the SI. Sorry, I'm not like a Honda guy. There's 3 different diameters for this bottom mount, and he got sent the wrong ones. Here is the new ones. I believe this is like 50 millimeters in diameter, and that literally makes the biggest difference because we could not put these on. Like, we're literally trying for like hours. But guys, hopefully today we can finish this install. Start working on the fronts because that gave us the most problems the first time we attempted this. It looks very different compared to the Subaru stuff that I'm used to working on. My cars, it's usually just like 2 bolts that hold like the knuckle onto the strut. It's kind of just like one and kind of like this clamp. I'm not sure if it was the right way, but from the 5 minutes of working on a Honda, we just took off everything. It just made it easier. I know the first time we just kind of like tried to take things off without doing this, but yeah, as you can see, the axle is out. Literally everything is taken apart of the front. Worked for me. I don't know if it's the right thing, but I just went ahead and did it. Guys, we just finished up the fronts. Honestly, pretty easy putting it back together because like the bag is shorter versus like the stock strut. It's like super long. You're almost bagged, bro. Literally, what, like both of the rears done or just one side?
Everything's in already. Just have to do is tighten it. Alright guys, good news, we are finally done with his bag setup. He's putting the new wheels on. I'll go and show you guys in a little bit. She's alive.
Damn.
It's time, bro. I'm scared.
Yo.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Dude,
this is hard. This is hard, bro.
What is that at? What PSI?
That's 0.
Oh, are you serious?
Uh-oh.
Yeah, that's too high. Of course, when a pimple over here, when everything is going perfectly good, something has to just go wrong. Oh my gosh. All right, so we got everything squared away. Everything works. Everything's plugged in. We got the new wheels on. We're adjusting these. We're making them go lower. So we had to take everything off again. And when I was putting the airline back, nut right here, as you can see, like the top of the nut is still on there, but it completely just like broke and like cracked off. So we have no other way of attaching the airline. So I think what we're gonna do now is like head to Home Depot and fingers crossed we can find something. Yeah, hopefully guys, we can find something because that's like the only option right now. Dude, that thing looks low.
That shit
That's so sick, bro. I'm so happy for him. He's like so hyped right now that his car's like bagged and he has the wheels on. Been waiting for this for so long, and dude, he's so happy right now. Dude, in the lights, bro. Can't get over it, dude.
shit, bro. It's too clean. I just can't wait to like add everything on. I'm just gonna be.
Bro, it's gonna be a non-stop journey, bro. I'm telling you right now. Dude, good choice on the wheels though. They're gonna want to know though, what's his specs? For all you Honda owners wondering.
It's 18 by 9.5 plus 35.
Plus 35?
Yeah.
Fitment's pretty good, man. I love the fitment. It's pretty much like perfect specs. The rears are tucking. Dude, that's fire. Dude, I just can't believe how this had like, it was just completely stock today. Like stock wheels, stock suspension. It looks so much like longer aired out. So he wants to either wrap or paint this car. He doesn't know what yet.
I want to keep it like this because it's
black.
purple. It's purple in the sun, but like when it's nighttime, it's black.
Yeah, the car, he needs a paint job because there is some spots that need some like touch-ups and stuff, but dude, for the most part, it looks sick as is. With the bags and wheels. What's like next on your list? I told him front lip. I think you should do a front lip. Dude, front lip makes it look so much lower and aggressive. Like paint,
like
or
add
wrap.
paint, tint.
Oh yeah, window
New
tint.
headlights, new tail lights.
I like the tails, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah, I think the red is like a nice little touch. But yeah, drop some comments down below for my guy Henri on what he should do next to his car. There's a few of you guys who watch this channel that have these cars, so whatever you guys want to see, drop it down in the comments, maybe give them some inspiration. To be honest, I don't know much about these cars, so I'm curious to see what there is out there. It's just a start, bro. Big milestone, dude. I was just telling him he's never gonna forget this day, bro. Like the first time you ever do something in your car, you went big, bro. First day, bags and TEs.
I didn't want to ride around with just air suspension and stock wheels.
Did it, dude.
Shouts out to Chris Borges, man. And Ethan Presto.
I know. We're knocking this out all day, but dude, it was so worth it, bro. I can't even stop looking at it myself. I'm serious.